In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share file in Zoom meeting. If you're in a Zoom call and need to quickly send a document, image, or other file to the people in the meeting, Zoom makes that process very simple through the chat panel. This is especially useful when you want participants to download something directly during the meeting instead of searching for it later. To get started, open Zoom and either start your meeting or join one that's already in progress. Once you're inside the meeting window, look for the meeting toolbar, usually located at the bottom of the screen. On that toolbar, click Chat to open the meeting chat panel. After the chat window appears, choose who you want to send the file to. You can select everyone if the file is meant for the whole meeting, or choose a specific participant if you only want one person to receive it. This part is important because the file will be shared only with the person or group you select in the chat. Next, inside the chat box, click the File button, or the plus icon, depending on the version of Zoom you're using. Zoom may show you a few file sharing choices at this point. Select your computer, or choose whichever available file sharing option you want to use. Now browse through your computer and locate the file you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct version before sending, especially if you have multiple copies of the same document saved in different folders. Once you find the file, select it and click Open or Send. Zoom will then upload the file directly into the meeting chat. After that, participants can click the file in the chat to download it or access it on their own device. This makes it easy for everyone to follow along with the same material during the meeting. If you need to send more than one file, just repeat the same process. Open the chat, confirm the correct recipient, click the file or plus button again, choose the source, and upload the next file. One helpful tip is to make sure file sharing is allowed in the meeting, since some Zoom settings may limit chat or file transfers depending on the host's permissions. Also, it's a good idea to send files that are clearly named so participants can recognize them right away. And that's how to share a file in a Zoom meeting.